I'm gonna put tint on my dad's front doors. They're made out of glass, and that way people can't look in, so they're gonna be mirror tint, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. This tint here is the privacy control window film. This one here is a mirror tint. There's different ones. There's a black one. There's a one that's just slight mirror. It's not as heavy mirrored as this one. I think this was gonna be pretty heavy. And that one, but it has also, it rejects 79% of sun's heat, which will save your energy in your house. Your AC won't be running as much. And 3 feet by 15 feet. And that's enough to do quite a bit of windows. I want to show you guys what the windows look like before. As you can see, somebody did some painting here and got a little paint. It's that easy. And there's tape right here. You just, a little bit of pressure will get all that off. That's clean. And I'm still gonna clean it with the Windex as well. There's a little, I don't know what this is, but yeah, just scrape it all off, scrape it clean. Make sure there's nothing there that you don't want. Now this window is ready to be tinted. Hey. So I'll mark it here, 76. I got my mark over there already too. And then we're gonna use a straight edge and mark the line. I got my line marked. And the reason being why I like to do it this way is because using tape will crinkle it all up here, and any little crimples or little bins that you have on there will be noticed on the window. And once you have it off of there, that wasn't too bad. It took me like a minute, but I like to slide it, and then you can hold onto the edge so you don't get fingerprints all over it. Just edge there, which will be cut off. And it likes to static up, but just keep it away. You don't want to hit that, because if this will happen, it'll stick. That's all right. Try to keep it away. And the reason you keep it low is because if you lift it up, it's gonna want to crumple all that side up. So you want to just keep it as low as you can. Slide it right out. That's what you want to do. And it's pretty easy. That's it. Now, the next step will be we use our handy dandy spray bottle here that you could buy it. But about that one time, and now what I do, all this is like dish soap with water in it. You just put a little bit of dish soap, a little bit, not too much, and put some water in it, and it's the same stuff. You know, it's just to keep the tint from sticking on right away. You're gonna spray this on there, get it all nice and wet. Get that window all nice and wet too, and then Then it gives you a little bit of playroom with it. Then just spray it. Spray it as much as you want now. Don't be scared. The more you got on here, the better. It's not hard to take it off. The whole thing, same thing. Don't be stranger with it. Spray the hell out of it, damn it. What I do is I go up first, and I put pressure up on it, and that snipping that the inside soap out. This is happening here. There we go. Snipping it all out. So it looks smooth. Spray one more time. Get more on the sides, because we're going to the sides now. To the side, and we're going to get it nice and tight. Nice and tight. Now what we have are these edges, and then just take all that excess off of it. It's all the way around. It is the way it's supposed to be. You got about a ½ inch all the way around, and then we're just gonna cut that off. I put the blade right into the corner there and slice out. And I do that to all the corners. And get it out of there. Boom. Blade right up on there and start slicing it. So what I'm doing here is pushing towards the door, not to the window. Now the slits make it to where I can just pull this off, or else sometimes the corners won't stick on it. Just got one more. Done. Piece of cake. We got one more thing that I do, and then we're done. I spray the edge one more time, and then with this little nifty tool that comes in the pack, you get it in the pack. It comes with this, the little edge cutter that I did not use, and this thing. And what I do is I'll put this rag on this, and then I just push all the edges out. Stuff still left on the edges. With this, you get it all out. Completely on the surface of the glass. That's what you're doing here. The way the lighting's coming in, you can see them well here. And that's what I do. You do that, and you're done. You got your tint on, baby. There we go. So now, there it is there. We got one down.